welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I will be collaborating with another Guyanese YouTuber. Her name is In the Kitchen with Lynn. Both of us decided we're going to be doing Guyanese beef patty. So I'm going to show you how I do my beef patty, and you guys can go to her channel and she's going to show you guys how she does her beef patty as well. I'll leave a picture here so you guys can see her channel. And also I will leave her link in the description box down below, so you guys can go and follow her and subscribe to her channel and check it out as well. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make my beef patty, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys my ingredients for my Guyanese beef patty, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is show you how to make your pastry dough. So here are the ingredients. First, we have some ice cold water, some shortening, some turmeric powder, some butter, salt, and we have our flour here. So the first thing you do, we're going to put salt into our flour and we're going to mix it up. And we're going to put in our turmeric powder. And we're going to mix it up into our flour. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to put in your shortening and your butter. Alright, and then you're going to take your hands and then you're going to mix it up into the flour. Just mix it up until the butter and the shortening dissolves. Finish mixing up my butter and my shortening into the flour. So what you're going to do now, you're going to take your ice cold water and pour it inside. Pour a little bit at a time, and you're going to form your dough. Alright, you have to make sure you use ice cold water, guys, okay? Even the butter and the shortening, you have to make sure that it's cold as well. Alright, and we're going to form a ball like. I form my dough into balls. So we're going to do now, if you have a plastic wrap, you're going to put it into your plastic wrap here, and you're going to wrap it, and then you're going to put it into your fridge, and you're going to let it rest in your fridge for about half an hour. Guys, so these are the set of ingredients for my beef patties. So I have some mince here, I have a small tin of tomato paste, mustard hot sauce. In here we have onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, parsley, chili powder, paprika, and 1 cube. We have some green seasoning and some corn. You can also use carrots, but I don't have that right now. Right now, by what's going on and you're stuck at home, you guys can use whatever you have in your house. You don't necessarily have to use all of this, alright? Just improvise and use whatever you have. So in my pan here, I put 3 tablespoons of oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is fry up my seasoning. So in here, guys, I have my green seasoning frying up, and the green seasoning mixed with onion, garlic, ginger, shallots, garlic thyme, Chinese thyme, and marignan powder. Alright, so then fry up our green seasoning here for a minute or so. When you finish frying it up, you're going to pour in your beef mince. We're going to mix it up. We're going to mix up the beef mince now. into your seasoning. And you're going to let this cook until it changes color and when it turns brown. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my mint has been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. I had it covered so it formed its own juice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season it. So I'm going to put in my season here: onion powder, ginger powder, paprika, chili powder, and also I'm going to put in 1 cube and also I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of my mustard hot sauce. And then I'm going to mix everything up together. So what you're going to do now, if you want to get a little color, this is optional. You can pour in a little bit of tomato paste, maybe a teaspoon or so. And mix it up. It's up to you if you want to put it to get a color inside of it. So let me taste it now. Wow. Tastes really good, guys. Really good. It's very flavorful and delicious. Try it out. Also guys, don't forget to go into my friend channel, In the Kitchen with Lynn, and she'll show you how she does her Guyanese beef patties, alright? I'll leave her link in the description box down below. So you're going to do now, this is optional. If you want, you can put some sweet corn in it. You don't have to. Like I said before, you guys can use whatever you have in your house. I know right now a lot of people wouldn't have all the ingredients that I use, so you guys can improvise and put whatever you want in your beef patties, alright? So I'm going to turn off my stove and let it cool down. When it cools down, we're going to roll out our pastry dough, and I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. My dough out of the fridge. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a knife and cut it into 4 parts. So I'm going to use this one here and put the rest back in the fridge until they're ready for it. So you're going to put some flour onto your countertop, and you have our dough here. I'm going to press it down. I have my rolling pin here. I'm going to put some flour on my rolling pin as well, and I'm going to roll this out. Alright, we'll be back. So I finished rolling it out. So you're going to take this here and you're going to cut them. Cut it. And this here, you're going to get 4 scraps. You're going to lift up the scraps. Just like this. This one got to roll back a little bit. Anyhow. And then you're going to put these aside, and I'm going to roll out the other set. So we'll be back. Okay, so these are my scraps here. So I'm going to roll it out. You don't waste the scraps, you just roll it out and you make more patties with them, alright? Take your in here and mark it off. And then you're going to mark off another one. So you got 2 more patties here, alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're going to start filling in our beef patties now. So this is one of the dough here. So what you're going to do, you're going to put in your beef mince inside of it, just like this. Just like this. Try to put it like more like into the middle like. Perfect. And then you're going to take your egg wash, and you're gonna just slightly dust it all the way around. This is gonna make the patties locked in, the egg wash. And then you're gonna take another piece like this and you're gonna put it over, just like this. Just put it right over, and then you're gonna take a fork and let me just cut off these pieces down here. You can either use a knife or use a piece of butter. And then you're going to take your fork, put your fork into some flour, and then you're going to press down right way around and press down. Alright, that's going to help season all this delicious meat inside. And go right away around. Alright. And keep going till you reach to the all the way. Alright, so now you're just going to take your fork and just put one little hole just like that. So, and then you're going to put it on your baking pan. I have a baking pan here with some grease paper. I'm just going to put it here. Okay guys, so I have 6 patties in this pan here. So I'm going to take my egg wash now and I'm going to gently brush them on top of the patties. Alright, brush all of them. Okay guys, so I just put my egg wash on the beef patties, so I'm gonna put this in my oven now to bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. So we'll be back and I'll show you guys the end results. Okay guys, so I just took my beef patties out of the oven. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them out of the pan here and I'm gonna rest them on here. So I'm gonna take them out and then I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste my Guyanese beef patty on camera and let you guys see. So here it is here. These are some of the patties. So I'm gonna, it's hot still. So I'm just gonna break a piece so you guys can see. This is how the inside stay. I have all this delicious flavor inside. So I'm gonna taste it now and let you guys see. It's hot guys, it's really hot, but I'm gonna taste it. Wow. This beef patty is really good. And it got a little spiciness to it as well. So it's tasting really good. Wow. Trust me guys. You guys need to. Let me just chew. So you guys need to try this recipe for my Guyanese beef patties. Trust me, you guys won't regret it. So when you guys try this recipe, you can leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoy your Guyanese beef patty as well. Alright? So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright? See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.